Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring one of the most surreal places on earth, the Zhangjiajie, China. The real-life inspiration of the Avatar's floating mountains in Pandora. So nakakamangha talaga. And if you are traveling in the month of September, ito mismo ang makikita at may experience mo kapag pumunta ka dito. This is the Zhangjiajie UNESCO Global Geopark, home of over 3,000 sandstone pillars, some towering over 200 meters high, and yes, this is where James Cameron got the idea of Pandora. So para ma-experience ito, first, we will take the Bailong Elevator. Yan yung nakikita nyo dyan. This is the tallest outdoor elevator in the world, straight into the clouds. And yes, dito lang natin matatagpuan yan sa Zhangjiajie, China. So this elevator will take you 30 to 1 minute para ma-experience mo at makita ang Avatar Mountain dito sa Zhangjiajie. And makaapunta tayo doon sa taas.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the famous tourist attraction Zhangjiajie. This is the filming location for the famous movie Avatar.
So after 1 minute ay narating na rin natin ang tuktok ng The Avatar Mountain. So nakakamangha talagang pagmasdan itong mga rock formation na nakikita natin. So I feel like nasa ibang dimension ka talaga. Yung feeling mo na nasa movie ka ng The Avatar. So if you are traveling in the month of September, ito may kita mo mismo na view kapag bumisita ka dito. And if you want naman more autumn vibes, so I think mas maganda kung late October or first week of November ka para medyo colorful like yellowish or reddish yung mga dahon. So this right here naman is the famous Hallelujah Mountain, yung nakikita natin sa The Pandora doon sa The Avatar movie. So kung ang lugar na ito ay wala pa sa inyong bucket list, then isama nyo na. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Peace!